Hiya, my lovelies. Welcome again to my channel. I hope you guys are well and staying safe wherever you are around the world. I am so happy to be here and I hope you are too. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to me. I'm so glad that you are here to watch me. And if you're an existing subscriber and you've come back to watch me, thank you so much. I love you so much. You're literally the only sugar in my tea, the apple of my entire eyes. I mean it. Thank you so much for being here again. Okay, so today we're going to chat about things to bear in mind when you want to start using Makari, or if you're already using Makari and you're still a little bit confused about it, or a little bit confused about what product to get for yourself. So today we're going to tackle that, and by the time I finish, you will be a pro in shopping for Makari. Okay, so I have seen videos on how to use Makari as a beginner. To be honest, I just saw them at a glance and I haven't really watched any of the videos, so I'm not sure what the creators of the videos have taught you guys. But I thought, I have an idea here. I think it might be better to tell you what to bear in mind when you want to shop for Makari. And this is exactly how I did it. And this is why I use Makari very well, and Makari products work really well for me. Okay, so we're going to start with the first one. So the first one is, why do you want to start using Makari? What is the problem with your skin, with your existing skin? I mean, your skin will never go away. What I mean is your existing skin condition. What is wrong with your skin right now? Okay, when I say what is wrong, it could be that you are suffering with hyperpigmentation. It could be that your skin is looking really dull. It could be that your skin tone is very uneven and you want sort of like a uniform skin tone. Okay, so, and there's no problem with that. You know, like us people of color, we do tend to get uneven skin tone, dark spots and things like that. So it's very common. I started using Makari because I had lots of dark spots on my face, my chest and my arms. So when I was fighting my pimples, all I wanted to do was clear the pimples. But when they left me, I was covered in dark spots. And then I started researching for skincare that will help me lighten that area and brighten my skin. And that's how I began to use Makari. So there was a problem for me. So you need to understand what the issue is, okay, with your skin. Why do you want to make changes to your skin, basically? So the second one is, what outcomes are you looking for? I say outcomes because there shouldn't be just one outcome unless your skin is almost perfect. Normally, people have several outcomes that they want from skincare products. So, for example, I always look out for smoother skin texture. I always look out for cure for hyperpigmentation because I'm prone to them. And I always look out for hydration and firming, obviously, because I'm getting older. So what are the outcomes that you're looking for? Do you want to lighten your skin? Which, again, there's nothing wrong with that. I know that people get their knickers in a twist when you speak about skin lightening. People fight you and stuff like that. So there is a difference, actually. We're not talking about skin bleaching. So what are the outcomes that you're looking for? Are you looking to achieve a glow without touching your skin tone? So, for example, darker skin tone ladies and gentlemen may want a better skin texture but don't want to touch that beautiful and gorgeous melanin that they've got. So Makari has products to cater for several different things. I think in the past, people have associated Makari with skin lightening. Makari is much more than that. So take Blue Crystal, for example. Blue Crystal is just so amazing that it will brighten your skin. Now, listen to that word, brighten. We're not talking about lightening. It will give you a glow and brighten your skin. And it's not going to lighten your skin. And this is why when people who want to lighten their skin buy Blue Crystal and they come back and say, oh, it wasn't making me light. No, Blue Crystal is not there to make you light. It's there to give you the glow. I have reviewed Blue Crystal in the past, and the video will pop up right now. You can watch it later, or you can watch it right now, where I wasn't getting lighter, but I had a lovely glow to my skin, and my skin texture improved. Blue Crystal, for example, has glutathione in it, which is absolutely wonderful for skin brightening. It also has collagen, which helps with your skin bounce. When I say skin bounce, collagen basically helps to firm your skin and make it look plump and beautiful. When you don't have collagen in your skin, it looks saggy and wrinkled out, if you know what I mean. So understand the outcome that you're looking for. And if you want to lighten your skin and achieve even skin tone, again, Makari can do that. So you need to look out for Makari products that can do that for you. So the next one is understanding your skin type. A lot of people buy Makari products because another person bought it and they feel, oh, if Sandra bought it and she's using it and it's working for her, then you know, it will work for them. Or if Jane bought it and Jane is raving about it, then it will work for them. But what you need to understand is that Sandra may have a perfectly normal skin type and her skin receives products better, and then you have oily skin type, which means that if you apply a heavier moisturizer on your face, you will end up breaking out. And I feel like some of the Makari moisturizers are really heavy, and this is why I only go for serums. So for you guys who have oily skin type, I would always recommend serums over creams. So let's talk about different skin types very quickly. I will do an exclusive video to go into details on that, but let's just talk about it really quickly. So you've got oily skin type, you've got dry skin type, you've got combination skin, you've got normal skin, and you also have people with sensitive skin. Okay, so if you go on Makari website right now, they have shop by ranges, shop by skin type. Click on shopping by skin type and it will pull out all the products that are perfect for your skin type. But you need to understand what your skin is doing to understand what skin type you belong to. So I'll give an example of somebody with oily skin. So if you notice that by afternoon your face starts to make oil and also you're more prone to pimples, then yes, you've got oily and acne skin. Now if your face tends to get dry, itchy and scaly, and it doesn't matter how much moisturizer you put in, you end up getting dried out again, it means that you have a severe dry skin. Or if you have just an ordinary dry skin, if you put on a moisturizer, your skin tends to balance out quite quick. If you have a combination skin, it means that some parts of your skin are oily and other parts are dry, and that's why they call it combination skin. And if you have a sensitive skin, you could be sensitive to the weather, you could be sensitive to products. So some active ingredients might break you out in rash or might cause burn on your skin. So you need to really understand what your skin type is. When it comes to skin sensitivity, if you haven't tried a product, you will never find out whether you're sensitive to them. So always do a patch test before you try a new product or you suspect that you might have a sensitive skin. So Makari has actually been really generous to warn people when a product might cause sensitivity, and in fact they will tell you things like use that product twice or 3 times per week. Things like the exclusive and the extreme ranges could cause skin sensitivity because they are lightening skincare products and they contain organic chlorine and which can cause skin sensitivity. So you need to be mindful of that when you're shopping for them. So if you're not sure whether you might be sensitive to them, I would say when you're using exclusive or extreme, I think there is another one that I'm forgetting the name now, but just read it. It will tell you do not use every day, and some use at night time only. And the reason for that is because once your skin comes in contact whilst wearing the product with the sun, it might cause damage rather than the product helping you to get the perfect glow that you're looking for. So that's skin type for you. And if you are struggling to understand your skin type, please come and find me on Instagram. I've helped lots and lots of you. Okay, do not leave a comment in the comment section of my Instagram because it might get lost. There are lots of comments there, but you can find me in my DM. Just slide in my DM and tell me that you're here to talk about your skin type, and then we can check that out for you. Okay, so moving on. The next thing you need to bear in mind is difference between face and body products. I'm almost about to laugh, but I won't laugh, okay? Because do you know what? People come to my DM and say, can I use this product on my face? It says body product. You cannot use body product on your face. However, saying that, some products like Korean skincare products might make a product for face and for body, but Makari never ever does that. The only Makari product that you actually can use on your face and on your body is the sugar scrub, which is for face and body. So when it comes to things like cream, you have creams for the body and you have creams for the face. And the reason for that is that the formula for the body is a lot thicker and it might clog your pores if you put them on your face. So stop putting body products on your face. It's just bad practice for skincare. Okay, don't do that. Okay, just know the difference. If it's for the body, use it on your body, and if it's for the face, use it on your face. So the next thing to bear in mind is understand some of your active ingredients. I'm not asking you to know all of them because I still don't know all of them, but 2 reasons why is to identify things that are causing rashes on your skin or causing burn on your skin. So understand a product you've used before that caused you problems. Look at the active ingredients, and then if you see it in any of the Makari products, then you can discontinue using it or maybe not buy it at all. And also, you need to understand active ingredients that work better for you. For example, I love niacinamide, I love vitamin C, I love salicylic acid, I love glutathione. I even like hyaluronic acid and glycerin for my body, hyaluronic acid for my face. So I always look at Makari ingredients to see whether it contains those of my favorite active ingredients for skincare. So if you go on Makari website and click on the product, underneath you will see ingredients. Makari does not hide their ingredients, so you can click on that and read all the ingredients. I also look out for aqua instead of oil because I have an oily skin and I want a water-based skincare. So aqua tells me that it is water-based. Okay, if there are any active ingredients that you don't understand, just copy and paste that on Google and Google will bring up answers for you. Okay, so once you familiarize yourself with the ingredients, then you can actually go to the shops and buy your Makari, the same product, obviously, because you now know about it. But it's always best to buy from the website from the start because you have all those ingredients listed out clearly for you to see. If you have to read them from your from the actual products, from the bottle, they tend to be quite tiny and you can't see everything. I mean, if your eyesight are as bad as mine, then you wouldn't be able to see everything on the bottle. That's why I prefer the website. The next thing you need to bear in mind when you're starting to use Makari is that you need to make sure that you wear your sunscreen during the day. You cannot spend all that money buying Makari and then in the day you expose yourself to the sun. The sun will damage your skin, will darken you even more. So wear your sunscreen. Makari does a really good face sunscreen, so you can put it on your face and on your neck, and once you put on your clothes that covers your body, then you don't need sunscreen on your body. However, if you're wearing like shorts or anything with your arms out properly, then you're going to need a body sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun. And again, Makari does one as well, so get yourself a sunscreen. So the final tip I'm going to give to you is, if you have oily skin, avoid using the face cream. Go for the serums only. Makari serums work better. They are lighter formula and they won't clog your pores. However, if you have a dry skin, creams might be better for you. And you can also combine serum and cream. So you put a little bit of the serum on your face and you wait for a few minutes, and then you add the cream to give you that proper moisturization, especially at nighttime. Okay, during the day, if you're going to wear your makeup, I would say avoid layering too much because they may interfere with your makeup. Okay, so that's it. That's how you start your Makari. I hope this video has been useful, and don't forget to use my discount code Jane15 when you're shopping for your Makari. And if you have further questions about Makari, come and find me on Instagram at Jane of Box, and let's talk and help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys again very soon. Love you lots. Mwah, mwah. Bye, and please stay safe.